Yunzii, you know about them. I know about them. They're one of the best keyboard companies in the nation, in the world. They sent me another keyboard. They have a 95% mechanical keyboard. It comes in two different colors, pink and clear. Let's get into the unboxing. X98, laminated, nice, quick start guide. And there she is, the main prize. Wow, it's clear. It also comes in pink, but why get clear if you're just gonna make it pink? I mean, I could see it. I might get a pink one. You know what? I'm sold. I already changed my mind. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, and then it's got a little knob on the top. Clear keycaps. You can see the white linear switches straight through. So you got hug keycaps, obviously shine through keycaps. Like, I'm sure the RGB on this thing's gotta be immaculate. Yunzii always kills it with the RGB, to be fair. So Yunzii on a clear keyboard is gonna be freaking awesome. There's a metal plate stamped Yunzii there, nothing on the side. You got your mode switch here. Cute little star design, three little stars, like Orion's belt. Type-C port there. You got a little mountain picture. That's cute with the star up there. Wow. Mountain. Look, you match my tattoo. Wow, that's cool. On the back, you have a metal plate here. We'll take the little sticker off. Boom, nice and shiny. It says Yunzii X98 keyboard on it. You have your 4 little rubber feet, and then you have 2 extendo feet with rubber on it. Ow. That one is very thick. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, got some accessories. What? Is this real? Did they really give me coiled cable? Are they out here giving coiled cables now? Yo, look at that. With the gold plating. Hey, that's fancy. I guess it comes with a coiled cable. Also, I don't think this is out yet. They're brand new. Definitely check it out. They just released this. Pretty cool. You got your standard keycap and switch puller, but what I will note is compared to the one that I used in the video yesterday, this one's a little bit longer and it has more of like a shape, probably easier to grab on. There's the keycap, nice and see-through. There's your W, and then you have your switch. Could do a quick sound test. Alright, there's your different RGBs. How do you change the mode again? Let's go. We don't even need to turn the lights down. The lights are full brightness. Normally you have to turn it down to see the RGB. Buy it, hypnotize, buy it. That'll show them. So when I hold FN down, by the way, it'll make 5 and A light up. But that'll go away once you let go. See? Okay, so what's left? We got a couple more things in the box. We have some custom keycaps, looks like. First one of interest, Saturn keycap. Very cool. Love that. Love Saturn. Super sick. Smash like, subscribe for Saturn. We have a shining star, and we have just a few stars. Anything else in the box? We have 3 extra switches. Looks like a 5-pin switch. And they sent us 4 extra ones, but one got, we don't want to talk about what. So it's a pre-lubed snow switch. It's a linear switch. It's 3 or 5 pin, and it's got 60 million click lifespan. Also, this thing has an 8,000 mAh battery. That's massive, literally. I mean, you get what you get. You know Yunzii. They're good for it. We still use Yunziis to this day. Recently, we were using the AL65 for like a full month. I didn't have any problems. I love that thing. I wouldn't worry too much about the longevity, but I haven't had any problems with the Yunzii keyboards yet. I freaking love them, man. I don't know what else to say. And it's literally $109. beat that, Logitech. I see your keyboards for $150 that aren't even Hall effect. Yunzii, on the other hand, they know what's up. You like Yunzii? Smash like, subscribe. Yunzii CEO, thanks for all the keyboards, man. Greatly appreciate it. Like I said, Yunzii CEO and I, close personal friends, go on golf trips together all the time. I love clear keyboards. I love clear technology. I wish that like my car was clear. Like, you know, like a clear hood. I just see what's going on down there all the time. Also, it's half the price of the Kaiboom. The Kaiboom was very expensive, so let us proceed. Let's put, I kind of want to just put like the Saturn one on. That's perfect. Wow. Star. First impressions, I think this thing is awesome. I really like the RGB color. I like that like on the back of it underneath that there's also kind of like a mirror and you can see yourself. That's a nice touch. I've just always loved clear electronics. I don't know what to say. And this surprised me. Yunzii, what are you guys doing? This is a great idea. Like I really respect this. I like coiled cables. That's really nice. Like it's a nice little touch. Especially if you're just like buying this for an office and you're not like a keyboard dude and you don't already have like a coiled cable. That's a cute little detail. Nice. Nice bit of thock. Come on. Come on, mate. That's pretty good. And I love the extra keycaps that they gave us, especially. That's really cute. Super nice touch. And yeah, that's Yunzii for you. I mean, that's pretty much it. Let's test it out, get into some gameplay, and I'll see you, hopefully, if anybody takes Jeff, I'm gonna get mad. See you in Marvel Rival.
Gear up, little ones. My time to shine.
Lights out.
Watch out, they're headed our way.
Another unsuspecting foe.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
I didn't even know they were weird. I'm getting a clap.
You owe me one.
Yeah, fight, bro. Come on, I'm freaking healing you, man. We gotta just cringe play the objective and just not even go for kills and just all stand here.
Pride of the neighborhood.
Your name is what now? His name is Huh? I'll be here.
Systems restoring.
Let's go.
You owe me one. The area is almost yours.
I don't know if they're playing the objective as much anymore. I mean, I think we kind of locked in, boys.
Did you even train for this?
I got one kill, I'll take it.
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly.
I hear him right here. Doesn't even matter. Maybe they're just honeypotting us. I don't trust it. I don't trust. I'm in the air, man.
Oh boy, here they come. Much better. Oh, did you see that? Pulse charge, fire.
I'm dying. Help. Help. Anyone? Any heals? Any heals? Any heals? Any heals? At least I can get back like right away.
Oh, did you see that? Much better.
Okay.
Let's go. That was sick.
Mission area is yours. Okay, quit showing off.
Oh my god.
Capture more than half of the
That to
mission
my
area.
greatest.
Keep going.
Let's go, baby. We got this.
The area is almost yours.
Oh, did you see that? Hell unleashed! Oh, sweet moves, right?
Pulse charge, fire. Pulse cannons and arguments, toot sweet.
Let's go. Get wrecked. Yes, clear keyboard for the win. Let's go. Yes, this thing felt great. Smash like, subscribe. Marvel Rival, another easy victory. All thanks to Yunzii. Thank you so much. Make sure to check out more tech review. Definitely felt awesome. Good for gaming. Good for office. Love it. Love the feel of it. Love everything. Didn't have any problems besides you have to use the Yunzii cord instead of Keychron cord. What can I say? But other than that, it was really fun. Loved it. See you guys in the next tech review. Bye-bye. 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 Check out Alien. Smash like, subscribe for Alien. Okay, bye. Watch Rug video if it's out yet.